Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is falafel. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. They say you learn something new every day, and today I learned to dry a frying pan properly before you fry anything in it. I'll explain more about that later. Okay, to start we put the coriander, parsley, onion, garlic, paprika, cumin powder, baking powder, salt and pepper and chickpeas into a food processor and blend together. For the record, it took me about 10 takes to get that list of ingredients correct. What do you mean I'm getting old? I'm not old. I just remembered, whatever happens I'm going to be 1 month younger than you are. So match point to me, I think, on that one. When all the ingredients are blended together, you should have something that looks like this. Then transfer the chickpea mixture to a bowl. Add the breadcrumbs and flour and thoroughly mix together. Until you have something that resembles this. Then using your hands, form the mixture into golf ball sized pieces. When the balls are made, you're ready to cook. To do this, heat enough oil in a frying pan to shallow fry to 180 degrees C, and away you go. And this, dear viewer, is where I learned my lesson for the day. Anyway, we battled on regardless and fried the falafel until they were nice and golden brown on both sides. This normally takes about 2 to 3 minutes a side. When the falafel is cooked, remove and serve hot or cold, whatever your preference. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe, and hopefully we'll see you soon again in the next one. Bye for now.